Good morning, students. I am Pragati Puri, your psychology teacher. I am going to teach you psychology in the session of 2020-21. That is Introduction to Psychology. I would like you to know about psychology. How do the papers come in the board exams or in your theoretical exams? The paper and the 30 marks contained by the practical. So let's introduce you how the objects come. For this you have to take NCERT book, and then the chapter 9s are there total in complete year, which will be divided into 2 semesters. The question paper will be as such. The first question or objective type question paper. In this you get 17 questions, 1 marks each, total 17 marks. Then the next one is very short question answer, that is of 4 marks. 4 questions will be there of 2 marks, and that contains 8 marks total. Then the short question answer of 1 that is of 3 questions of 3 marks each, and it will be containing 9 marks total. Then the fourth question will be of short question answer 2, that will be of 6 question total will be there of 4 marks each question, that will be 24 marks. Then at last the fifth question, that is the long question answer, there will be only 2 questions of 6 marks each, and that will be 12 marks. This makes 70 marks. You will get inter-choices between all the questions, whether it is objective types, very short question answer, or the long question answer. The inter-choices will be maybe possible that it will be from the similar chapter or maybe from 2 different chapters. So don't think that what if there are 5 question answers you can skip any one. But whether if we talk about the long question answer, here if there are 4 chapters, then you will get 2 questions, and in that inter-choices will be there for the each question. So in that you can do any 3 questions, any 3 chapters rather than doing the 4 chapters. Okay, so let's start with the first chapter now. Our first chapter, that is Introduction to Psychology, which is the most important chapter in to understand psychology, because as you all know that this is the first basic new subject which has been launched to you. So to know psychology, what is this, from where it has been come from and everything, one thing we need to know firstly is to be aware about the myths. People think that a psychologist or a psychiatrist can understand us, can read our mind very quickly, but this is a myth. We are psychologists, not astrologers or that any predictors. So that we say yes, this is the thing which we don't know, or we know we can read your mind. So to aware about this question, we should know that what is psychology. So now we need to know what is psychology. Introduction of psychology. First the definition arises. What do we know by psychology? So here is the definition, that psychology is the science that studies the behavior of an individual, and the behavior can be overt or covert. So in this, the overt behavior is related to the external factor, like which we can observe, and overt behavior which is inside ourselves, working as in mind, what we are cannot express without actions. So there are 2 type of behavior. For example, a player is playing a chess. So first he thinks about the move of himself and also of the opponent. After that, when he play the moves, or that is known as covert behavior, where we can observe his action. So this you should be aware about. Then to move further for the psychology definition, first of all, being a student, you should know that where your stream will take to you. So basically people say that in India the students are something which are known as for only clinical psychology in hospital as in psychiatrists working, or the secondly they are working in schools. So you need to know that there are all other streams. Psychology is at every place where an living organism is there. So you need to study about the psychology. What is psychology, how it is. We have been going to talk about the careers. For understanding the career, first of all, the major career is clinical psychology, and clinical psychologist is who've been working in hospital. Here you need to also know about the psychologist and a psychiatrist, that I will explain afterwards in the class. So first of all, what is clinical psychology? In which we study about the clinic hospitals, about the patients, to know about. So for that, what we need to do, move further after masters to MPhil level or PhD. While doing MPhil, we will be considered as clinical psychologists, and for that we can also work under the psychiatrists who have their background from the medical stream. They have done MBBS, MD in psychology. They are known as psychiatrists. So you have been only in psychologist because you are not your background is not from the medical stream. You have not done MBBS. You don't have a proper doctorate degree. But this degree which you are been having after MPhil, this will be RCI registered, and in this you can open your clinics. So after that, the cyber psychology comes. This is the new stream which has been come in India. In this, we have been studying about the internet crime, or internet, how the people are working on internet, how they have been behaving, how they are expressing all themselves. That all been studied in cyber psychology. It is related to the internet. After this, the forensic psychology has been coming. So the forensic psychology has been also well known, and in Mohali, Chandigarh, Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, the major main branches of forensic psychology is also there. So it has been working with the CBI, CIDs, or forensic labs are there, where the forensic psychologist is required to study about the crime rate, to study the crime situation, how had been done, or any of the study which are been not well aware by seen by the police or other bureaucrats. Then we have been studying after that educational psychology. Educational psychology and school psychology is interrelated, but they are differentiate, because in educational psychology they are the counselors. So who have been working over the counseling, the problems health related or something related to intelligence, the students who have been having problem with their studies, education, all that has been studied in educational psychology. Whereas if we study about the school psychology, there the streams come, as you are the students who are studying in 11th and 12th and opting psychology. So for this you need a PGT psychology teacher, or an school psychology has been also the where move further for the college and master level, where we need an assistant professor. So for that you need to do UGC NET. So for this also we have to know about the UGC NET we have been doing. So for this, what is the requirement? We have to complete our masters, then NET, there is an exam of government, then that we have to give up, and after that we can apply for an assistant professor job or for the teachers. After that, what we have been coming in is the criminal psychology. Criminal psychology is related to law or police. So where we've been studying about the crimes. In this, the judiciary psychology is also the part in which we study about the crime rate of the people. The people, the students' child adolescent age is the main criteria, main aim for the psychology. So that we need to also take care in a criminal psychology. Then the military psychology, this is the related to all the civil servants. As we know that our civil servants, whether they are military, army or navy, anyone, they have been working for us, they are fighting for us at the borders. So on that borders where they are fighting for us, after that they get sometimes depressed. So for that depression, to motivate them, to enhance their energy levels, a psychologist is always required to make their mental abilities high. So that things will be done in military psychology. After that, the sports psychology, these are for all the player, whether the player related to district level or whether they are related to the national level or international level, wherever they've been related, in whichever game they are known for, kho, volleyball, football, basketball, cricket, any of the game, they need a psychologist who understand them, whom they can explain their problems, or the when they lose their motivation level. To enhance that level, a psychologist is required. So in this also we need to pursue our career. So like this you can pursue your career. So psychology is not a small branch, it is a very high branch. Now next point is from where the psychology has arrived. Psychology has arrived from a Greek word which means psyche plus logo. Psyche is a word which means soul, and logo which means science or a study. So whatever we study a science in a scientifical way, in a proven way, how to experiment thing, then the result has been conducted over the experiments, then what the result is been indicating us, that has been considered as the proof, and on that basis we can make out that the person behavior is such and such, so and so. So these all have been studied on the basis of science. After that, on this basis, when we get to know what the psychology is from Greek word, the definition has arisen, that is psychology is the study of soul and mind. So soul and mind, in the study of soul and mind, we get to know that at what it is, but it doesn't get any existence. Why? There were some of the loopholes. The loopholes were what? That soul is immortal, there is no existence of the soul, then it cannot be heard and cannot be seen. After that, the soul don't have any weight nor the volume. So this is the only reason why the soul has been considered wrong. This definition has been considered wrong. Then later on, after in the 20th century, a new definition has been arise. It makes psychology more religious. Therefore, they have also distributed it in a new language, in a new definition. I must say that the definition is psychology is the study of mental process, experiences and behavior in different contexts. So the psychology's new definition in the 20th century has arrived, that is psychology is the study of mental behavior, mental process, experience and behavior in different conditions. So what do you understand by these terms? The mental process, then the experience and the behavior. So the mental process is cognitive working, anything which is being worked by our mind, whether it is thinking, decision making, any of the things which are working as a mental process is known as our cognitive working. Then the experience is related to the learning from the environment. What we learn from environment, it differ from individual to individual. Whether a person, one person who has been learning something is how it is work, how they are working. Then another person in the same condition learns something else. So all that is depending upon our learning abilities, our thinking, what we are taking the things or what we are learning from a situation. So next, the behavior. Behavior is response or reaction towards the subject. Here the subject, what does it mean? Subject, something which is related to us, that a person, an object, कोई भी चीज है, कुछ भी है, in which we are aware about, we are responding to a thing. Like for example, I give you homework after the completion of the chapter, then you will do it. Okay, so for the homework you will think and then you respond to particular to the area, and then you will respond me in a condition that I have done this homework, ma'am, and like this I get this result. then that on that things what responses you will give, like you do your homework and come, so your behavior will be in a good way, in a positive manner. And if you don't do your homework, then you will say it that what it is all about. Okay, so that is the behavior, the response or reaction towards the subject. किसी भी चीज के लिए, for any object, anything, whether a living organism, we've been reacting towards it, or in a situation we are reacting towards it. That all is behavior. Okay, so this is all about the psychology. Now we just summarize it, how the thing is going to know that psychology की main definition which has been working right now is psychology is the science that study the behavior of an individual, and the behavior is overt or covert. Overt behavior is what? Which is being studied for the external factor, and covert internal. Then we have these streams in the career, that is clinical psychology, cyber, forensic, educational, school, criminal, military, sports psychology. Here are all the streams you can work out. You can do a master's, you can do further education related to the stream, take the diploma courses, or you can do specialization in the particular stream and then move further. Then we get to know that psychology is derived from the Greek word, and it is known as psyche and logo. Psyche means soul, logo means science or study, because in this we have been doing all the factual experiments on the basis of facts we are working on. Then psychology as in science and soul and study. So this definition has been arised, but it has some loopholes for which this has been not considerable. Next, the definition has arisen in the 20th century, which has been psychology is the study of mental process, experience and behavior in different conditions. Then we understand what is mental process. It is something which is related to cognitive working, thinking and decision making. Then experience, which is to learn from the environment, how we have learned something from environment and it differentiate from person to person. Then behavior, response or reaction towards the subject. Understanding all these things, at last we will summarize it full way. So taking it all around, we will work out and your homework will be conducted. You have to read all these things and make a short note on the basis of my video, and then you will let me know through the internet, through the comment box, or you can tell me, take your inquiries basing on this topic. And the next topic we will tell you relatedly on the next topic. So before going further to the next topic, we will take the problem of the first topic. So study it well, read the content from your book, and the book you have to use is NCERT book of class 11 psychology, that will be provided you to all the booksellers who are there in Sirsa. Thank you.